Hello viewers, welcome to Stock Market Tips channel. In today's video, we are going to see the watch list for today's trade, that is 24th of March. The first one will be Chola Finance. Chola Finance is a 700 price stock and you can initiate your buy if the level 752 is crossed and wait for 756 and then 760 on the upside. Downside, if the level 740 is broken, you can expect a target of 735 and 731. The second one will be HDFC Life. HDFC Life is again a 500 price stock, and here if the level 505 is crossed, you can expect a target of 509 and 513. Downside, you can expect targets 489 and 483 if the level 494 is broken. The third one will be JK Cement. It is a 2000 above stock in our watch list today. Now here if the level 2854 is broken, you can reach targets 2873, later 2890. Downside, if the level 2821 is broken, you can expect a target of 2806 and 2784. However, looking at the last candle, don't confirm that this stock will be on the sell side. Please confirm with the volume and then our rules and regulations and then initiate your trade. The last one will be Lalpath Lab. Lalpath Lab is a 1000 price stock, and this stock when crossed 1849, you can initiate your buy and wait for 1869 and later for 1892. Downside, if the level 1810 is broken, you can wait for targets 1789 and 1762. Thank you for watching the video. Wishing you a good luck.